Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have Nescafe Gold Chocolate Caramel Brownie Mocha Instant Coffee. Let's start off with the unboxing. The packaging of this is actually different from any other Nescafes because it's purple, which means it's epic. But this design and logo is actually old because recently they have changed it. They have changed all of their instant coffee packagings, but I still got the old one here. Yeah, Chocolate Caramel Brownie Mocha. Looks delicious. 7 instant coffees inside. That's good. 7 lucky number. Nutri-Score is D. That's not good. It's almost the worst rating you can get. Yeah, here's the story of Nescafe. Respect. Cup of respect. And here we can see ingredients and nutrition value. And we can see why it's D Nutri-Score because look how much sugar. So much sugar. It's like 63% sugar. Oh, actually 45 only. But they have some proteins. 10 proteins. Why is it only D Nutri-Score? They have 10 protein. That's 10 protein. Okay, give it higher score. But yeah, here's the ingredients. And here's how to make the delicious instant coffee. So you put 85-degree water. You stir it 25 seconds. And how much water? Let's see. 200 mils of water. So not much. Yeah. Barcode. Boom. Let's get inside the box. Ooh. Oh. The packaging inside is same as other Nescafes. It's this golden brownies. But look, why do they only have 7 inside? Because they could easily have fitted 8. Some other Nescafes they come with 8, but this only 7. Look, just empty space here. Why is that? Anyway, let's take it outside the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I still know how to count. Oh, look at this. It's like when you have Pokemon card unboxing. But I do instant coffee unboxings. It's better. Let's see if we get any holos or rares. I guess not. Yeah. Let's get our cup here and pour it inside. Ooh, exciting to see. What color will it be? Usually it's like whitish. Oh, but this one seems to be. Oh, look. It's brown because it's brownie. Ooh, I can smell the caramel already from this. Let's get ourselves a spoon and water. So now we get 200 mils of water. That's it. It's not much. That's 200 mils. And stir it for 20 seconds. It smells good already. Look. You can see the coffee particles dancing when they're brewing into delicious mixture of cocoa beans, caramel and brownie and chocolate. Look at that. Oh, the foam. The foam is coming, look. So they didn't scam on the commercial. It's actually foaming. The only thing that they scammed is this chocolate topping. I don't see any chocolate topping here, but I'm sure they have serving suggestion here. Yeah, that's how they avoid all the responsibility. Serving suggestion. But yeah, look, it looks good. Let's go ahead and taste it up. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Nescafe Gold Chocolate Caramel Brownie Mocha tastes any good. Now I gotta say, the color is already different from other Nescafes. Look, the foam is so dark. Darkish brown. Usually it's like white foam. This one, different. It smells like my mom's homemade brownies. very refreshing smell and sweet. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. I can't wait to taste this. Oh, shall we take a sip? Let's take a sip. It's more thick from other Nescafés. Like the texture you can feel, it's not like so watery. It's actually more thick. It's almost like drinking a brownie. How is that possible? Like you can taste the brownie, chocolate brownie, but it's not, you're not chewing it, you're actually drinking it. Somehow it reminds me of Christmas, even though it's not Christmas. But the feeling you get, because I think during the Christmas you eat like the sweets, the brownies, and this, you get the feeling from this. Yeah, this is special edition. I wonder how long they will make this, but I saw this new one with already new packaging, so I think they will keep this around for a long time. You know, it's hard to taste any coffee on this one though. The chocolate caramel brownie, it's overwhelming all the coffee things here. Like, is this even coffee anymore, or is this just like milkshake? Like, it's so sugary, so sweet, but where is the coffee? Let's see how many percent is coffee here. So, instant coffee. The main ingredient here is 37% chocolate drink. So I was right. Second ingredient is 18% skimmed milk powder. Ew, that's not good. Skimmed milk powder, not good. Then we have some glucose syrup and coconut oil. And after that only 7% is coffee only. So how can they more? There's some weirdo knocking on my window. What the hell? We got intruder here. Do you wanna taste Nescafe Gold Chocolate Caramel Brownie Mocha coffee?
I can't taste it, but this is better.
Really? This is for Zoomers.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. I can give a benefit of the doubt. Okay. Okay. Smells nice. Sorry, I'm not into coffee. This is better.
Okay, let's continue with the review. So as I was saying, only 7% coffee and like 37% chocolate milk. How can they market this as a coffee? It should be chocolate milk with coffee flavor. But still, it's good though. Yeah, it's just like milk chocolate. You drink milk chocolate with a little bit of coffee flavor, and then you get the caramels and the other stuff. Really interesting try from Nestle. I wonder if they will keep this around, or is this just special edition, like one-time thing. But definitely should keep this around, because they can market this for the people who don't like the coffee flavor so much, and only for those people who like the chocolate milk flavor. This is good for them. So yeah, if you like chocolate milk, go buy this. You will enjoy it, and you will savor it, and you will get a good feeling in your mouth. But if you want more coffee, I recommend getting some other Nescafe, because this ain't it. I don't know if this even has any caffeine. Will this affect your caffeine? Because It's only 7% coffee again. Yeah. Nescafe Gold Chocolate Caramel Brownie Mocha. Great coffee. I like it. I think this deserves 8.5 out of 10. There's better one from Nestle and Nescafe, but this is solid. 8.5 out of 10. Bonus points for making unique packaging, because usually they just copy paste, but this time they made different color. Nice. So yeah, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next epic consumer goods review.
Thank you.
Next time monster review.